Hello chess lovers. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a discover attack. A discover attack is a direct attack revealed when one piece moves out of the way of another. Discover attacks can be extremely powerful as the piece moved can make a threat independently of the piece it reveals. If the discover attack is a check, it is called a discover check. Let's see by this example first of all. As you can see that the white queen is sitting over here. It is white to move and the black king is here. So white queen is indirectly attacking the king. Of course, if this piece will be not here. So what we need to do, we need to move this piece and that will be a discover check on the king. But where should we move the bishop? So the idea, of course, to gain some material over there, if we just move the bishop here to f6, you can just see that the queen is attacking the king and the bishop is attacking the bishop. So obviously black will save the king. It is forced to for him, and now we will just take the bishop. We just gain some material by the tactics called discover attack. So let's see another example of it. In this one, white to play again, and you see that the queen and rook are making some kinds of threat over here. But again, the similar kind of tactics, we just need to move the rook somewhere and the queen will gone. But if we move the rook like without a check, then they will kill our queen also. So we can say if it is black to move, then our rook is pin kind of thing. So we are making a check over there, rook c7, and you can just see that the queen is gone. Bye bye queen. King will take the rook, of course, and queen will be gone. White just gain some material. Next example of not a check, discover check. It's a simple discover attack. It's white to move. In this one, I can just see that the queen is just sitting over here. Bishop is attacking the bishop. But if we just take the bishop, then it will be a normal trade. But what I am saying that my pawn is just sitting over here. You just see that some kind of threats are there. So if I just move the pawn like to e4, then this is called discover attack. The bishop is attacking queen, pawn is attacking bishop, so we just move the pawn and create a discover attack on the queen. Obviously queen will save herself like moving to a1 for example, and we will just take the bishop, winning material again. I hope that you learn the meaning of discover attack. This is one puzzle for you. It is white to move, and of course discover attack we have to do it. Mention your answer in the comment section. If you like this video, then do give thumbs up, and also mention your valuable feedbacks in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel Fun with Chess.